For millennia, humans have pondered their place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. With countless eyes gazing upwards at the twinkling stars, one profound question has echoed through history. Are we alone? This cosmic quest for companionship has fueled countless myths, religions, and philosophies. But today, thanks to astonishing advances in our understanding of the universe and capabilities of detection, that question is no longer just a philosophical musing, it's a scientific inquiry. In this exploration, we will delve into the heart of the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Exploring the cutting-edge methods, bold new technologies, and deep ethical questions surrounding this most profound mystery. Join us as we embark on a journey through history, science, and the very essence of what it means to seek our place in a potentially inhabited universe. The hunt for extraterrestrial life is deeply ingrained in our collective consciousness. Ancient myths. Religious texts and folklore across cultures often include tales of celestial beings visiting Earth or influencing human lives. However, the modern scientific approach began with the scientific revolution in the 16th and 17th centuries, laying the groundwork for our current understanding of the universe. Pioneers like Johannes Kepler and Galileo Galilei transformed our perspective of the solar system, challenging long-held beliefs about Earth's centrality and introducing heliocentric models. The 19th century saw the emergence of the first theories on extraterrestrial life, with scientists like Day Schutzen and Carl Sagan contemplating the potential for life beyond Earth. Today, the search for extraterrestrial life is firmly established as a scientific discipline known as astrobiology, drawing upon multiple fields including astronomy, biology, chemistry, and geology. One of the most compelling arguments for the existence of extraterrestrial life is the sheer size of the universe. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is estimated to contain between 100 and 400 billion Earth-like planets, and there are billions of galaxies similar to ours in the observable universe. Given the vastness of this cosmic expanse, it seems highly unlikely that Earth is the only planet harboring life. This argument is bolstered by the discovery of thousands of exoplanets, some of which lie within the habitable zone of their stars, where conditions could support liquid water, a key ingredient for life as we know it. However, despite the high probability of extraterrestrial life existing somewhere in the universe, we have yet to make contact with any intelligent civilizations. This apparent contradiction is known as the Fermi paradox, named after the Italian physicist Enrico Fermi. If there are so many suitable planets out there and life is likely, why haven't we found any signs of intelligent extraterrestrial beings? One possible resolution to this paradox is the Great Filter. This theory suggests that there is some barrier that prevents species from becoming like us, or further in terms of technological advancement. Perhaps there is a natural limit to the development of intelligent life in the universe, or maybe there are consequences of advancing too far. Another perspective is the rare Earth hypothesis, which proposes that the conditions that led to the evolution of life and intelligence on Earth are exceptionally rare, making it unlikely that these factors would occur elsewhere in the universe. This could mean that Earth is truly a unique oasis of life, or it could suggest that there is life out there, but it hasn't reached an advanced stage due to the rarity of those conditions. So how do we go about finding life in the vast emptiness of space? One way is by listening for radio signals that could be coming from civilizations using similar technologies to our own. Projects like SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, have been scanning the skies for decades. Using radio telescopes, SETI researchers analyze signals from distant stars and galaxies, hoping to detect signs of artificial transmissions. More recently, projects like Breakthrough Listen have expanded this search to include data from multiple telescopes and a wider range of frequencies. But radio signals are just one potential method of communication. Advanced civilizations might also use light to convey messages across the cosmos. This idea is the basis of optical SETI, which involves searching for brief, incredibly powerful pulses of light that could be artificial in origin. These flashes might be emitted intentionally as signals, or they might result from industrial activities or other technological processes. Missions like the upcoming Vera Rubin Observatory will help with the search for optical SETI by surveying vast swaths of the night sky with incredible speed and sensitivity. But listening and looking are only part of the equation. To confirm the presence of extraterrestrial life, we also need to study the atmospheres of distant planets. By analyzing the composition of these atmospheres, scientists can look for telltale signs of biological activity known as biosignatures. Gases such as oxygen, methane, and phosphine could indicate the presence of life. Since it's unlikely that these combinations would occur naturally on planets with an atmosphere, upcoming missions like JWST and LOVOIR are equipped to analyze the atmospheres of potentially habitable worlds, bringing the search for life closer to home. Even within our own solar system, there are promising targets for the detection of microbial life. Moons like Europa and Enceladus, with their subsurface oceans, and planets like Mars and Venus, offer unique environments that could potentially support life. Future missions such as the Europa Clipper and Titan Dragonfly will explore these celestial bodies in detail, searching for evidence of past or present life. With the potential for discovery comes a host of implications that extend beyond the realm of science. Confirming the existence of extraterrestrial life, whether microbial or intelligent, would profoundly impact our understanding of the universe and our place within it. It would challenge long-held religious and philosophical beliefs and force us to reevaluate our perception of life. Intelligence and consciousness. If we were to make contact with an advanced civilization, it would open up unprecedented opportunities for communication and collaboration. However, such contact could also pose significant risks. There are concerns about potential cultural contamination, the exchange of diseases, and the possibility of exploitation or conflict. These concerns have led to the development of proposed first contact protocols, which outline guidelines for how humanity should respond to confirmed signals or encounters with extraterrestrial life. These protocols emphasize the importance of global cooperation, transparency, and humility. Recognizing the potential challenges and risks involved in making first contact, as our technology improves, our ability to detect extraterrestrial life will become even more precise and comprehensive. Future endeavors like the Square Kilometer Array, a massive radio telescope, and the upcoming generation of powerful space-based observatories will expand our reach and sensitivity. Additionally, advancements in areas such as quantum computing, machine learning, and data analysis will help sift through the vast amounts of data required to search for subtle signals amidst the cosmic noise. As we continue to explore the universe, we must also consider the ethical dimensions of our quest. Questions about the right to explore, the impact on celestial bodies, and the potential for unintended consequences require careful thought and consideration. Striking a balance between the pursuit of knowledge and the responsible use of that knowledge will be a crucial aspect of our journey to find out. If we are truly alone, as we stand on the threshold of new discoveries, it's essential to remember the profound implications of what we might find. The search for extraterrestrial life is not merely a scientific endeavor. It's a quest that touches upon the deepest aspects of human curiosity, our place in the universe, and the meaning of life itself. Every observation, every analysis brings us one step closer to understanding the grand tapestry of existence. While the answers may lie hidden in the vast expanse of space, the journey itself is a testament to the boundless spirit of human exploration and discovery. In the quiet contemplation of night, as we gaze up at the stars and ponder our place in the grand scheme of the cosmos, the question echoes through time. Are we alone? With each passing year, our understanding of the universe deepens, and our tools for exploration become more refined. As we continue to listen to the whispers of the cosmos, to analyze the faint signals from distant worlds, and to search for the echoes of life in the universe, we carry with us the legacy of countless generations who have looked to the stars and dreamed of a world beyond our own. The search for extraterrestrial life is a journey that has captured the human imagination for centuries. From ancient mythologies to modern science fiction, the idea of life beyond our planet has fascinated us. With the rapid pace of technological advancement, we are now closer than ever before to answering the profound question, are we alone in the universe? Through the use of advanced telescopes, spacecraft, and analytical techniques, scientists are actively searching for signs of life on other planets and moons within our solar system and beyond. The discovery of extraterrestrial life whether microbial or intelligent, would undoubtedly be one of the most significant events in human history. It would challenge our understanding of biology, physics, and our place in the universe. It would also raise profound ethical and philosophical questions about the nature of life and intelligence. As we venture deeper into the cosmos, we must approach the search for extraterrestrial life with a sense of wonder, humility, and responsibility. We must remain open to the possibility that we may not be alone in the universe, and that there are other forms of life that we have yet to discover. At the same time, we must recognize the potential impact that such a discovery would have on our world and the importance of engaging in thoughtful dialogue about its implications. As we continue to explore the depths of space, we must also strive to do so in a manner that is ethical, sustainable, and beneficial to humanity as a whole. The search for extraterrestrial life should be a collaborative effort that involves scientists, philosophers, ethicists, and members of the public from around the world. By working together, we can ensure that our exploration of the cosmos is conducted in a way that reflects the best of humanity and that we are prepared for whatever discoveries may come our way. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the search for extraterrestrial life. If you enjoyed this journey through the wonders of space, science, and the enduring question of our cosmic solitude, we invite you to subscribe for more in-depth explorations of the greatest mysteries of the cosmos. Together, let us continue to unlock the secrets of the universe and keep an ear and an eye open for the whispers of life beyond our world. Till next time, keep looking up at the stars and asking the profound questions that have inspired humanity for generations. Who knows? Might just be the one to hear the answer.